Very nice to meet you. Thank you very much indeed for seeing us.
Welcome to Dubai. This is my grandfather's house, where my father and mother and us lived here. No electricity at that time when I was born. Only these lights, you see.
Oh, the lanterns.
Lamp things. And no water. And this is also my grandfather. And that's my grandfather. Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Lovely country.
Did you have people just knocking on the door and saying, I've got a problem with my house,
Yeah.
you know, can you help me?
Yes, but they don't knock on the door. The ruler will be sitting here.
So what, the ruler would just sit outside waiting?
Yes, by that one, and his people will be here. So anybody coming to see the ruler will sit next to him and say.
And say that I need to have this done or I need to have that done?
Yeah. And John, you know, I remember as a child trying to climb this, I couldn't. So